Here we are with day 3 of the Mechanical Keyboards Switch Advent Calendar. Let's take a look to see what's inside. What are the keys to happiness? Parentheses, colon. Alright, we have a Gateron Cap V2 Milky Yellow with a 50-gram spring linear, and it is a PCB mount. The 5 legs down at the bottom, here is our Milky Yellow. That feels really silky smooth, and it's pretty thocky as well. That's the Gateron Cap V2 Milky Yellow. Tune in tomorrow for our day 4 of the Mechanical Keyboards Switch Advent Extravaganza. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell icon, so that way you can get notified when I post tomorrow's Switch. See you tomorrow.